So what should you do when Facebook does not send you verification link or some kind of login code to your email or to your phone or to a notification device? Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Bimal from App Guide. In today's guide video, I will show you how you can fix if Facebook does not send the login code. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So sometimes what generally happens is, let's say you were trying to log into a new device from your Facebook account. So let's say you're trying to log into your Facebook account, and most of the times if you have two-step verification turned on, it is basically going to ask you for a confirmation that whether or not you want to actually go ahead and then approve the login to your main device on which you're currently logged in. And sometimes if you have two-factor authentication turned on, it is going to send the login code, but most likely you're not receiving it, and that could be why you're watching this video. Well, hopefully there are a couple of solutions which you can actually apply to your own self. So once you're on that, let's say some kind of login page, there could be other options such as to verify from another way. Simply go ahead and look for that option, or if you don't have that option, then what I would recommend you do is on your other phone you have to make sure to actually have the internet connection where your Facebook is currently logged in, and Facebook is generally going to send a notification to that particular phone, so you have to make sure that you have a internet access. And other than that, if it's a phone number wise verification, make sure that you have your SIM card active and you have access to that phone number. Also check if your do not disturb mode is turned on. If it's turned off, basically just turn it off like that. And once you do so, go ahead and check the messages and see if there are any type of verification code. If it's the problem with your email, you've not been receiving the email address, then you could go ahead and then simply actually also check your internet connection on your device and just verify if that issue has been fixed, because most likely it is going to. Also make sure that your Facebook account is currently active, for example if it's not deactivated or anything like that. And after that, try to clear the cache. So I'll go ahead and select the app info button. Now I'll go to storage and I will go to clear cache button if you want clear data, and then simply try to relog into your Facebook account, and most likely that would fix the issue. Hopefully this video helped you. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you've got any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.